Attractiveness. Being attractive takes time, takes patience, takes hard work. Hell no, not here at the Man Hut, because I'm gonna give you 7 ways to look instantly, like seriously, like that, instantly attractive. And when you do this, your grandma won't be the only one who would say you're attractive, including me. Let's go. Number 1 is make yourself look taller. Now, beating up just because you're not 6, that's not attractive. But making yourself look taller by implementing some hacks, now that's attractive. The sad news is women find tall guys attractive. So what you can do is wear monochrome outfits, so that way you can create an illusion of length. And again, for shoes you could wear boots or maybe sneakers that have some length in the sole, so that way you add up 2 to 3 inches again. And then for hair, you could go with a hairstyle that has some volume, and then you add a couple inch again. And some common sense is to stand up straight and not slouch, so that way you can look taller as well, and instantly you can get 4 to 5 inches, like bam, that is attractive. Next up, number 2 is show the left side of your face. Now, science has come up with the conclusion that 95% of people have left side more balanced, more symmetric, and more better. Does that exist? Better than the right side. But there are remaining 5% as well. So if you do not know which side of your face is better, what you could do is take pictures of both your sides and judge for yourself, right? And if you find both the sides attractive, what you can do is show it to some random strangers. Number 3 is wear shades. Now talk about looking attractive, adding balance and creating spice. Shades are gonna be up top every single time. If you're tired and your eyes look bad, wear shades. If you have asymmetries in your face, wear shades to add that symmetry. Because when you do that, right, -2 + 2 = 0, that basic maths. So that way you have no asymmetries and you are more symmetrical. Again, big brain, boys. Number 4 is wear the color red. Now red is not just the colors of danger, strawberries, Coca-Cola and blood, but also the color of love. Seeing the color red can make your heart beat faster, not just yours, but the ladies who see that as well. Because the red color signifies power, it signifies dominance. And that is all facts, boys, all facts. So the next time you want to be more attractive, wear the color red. Now you might get attacked by the ladies the way bulls attack the cave, but the color red for bulls has been turned out a myth, but not in the case of ladies. Number 5 is Manspread. Now again, dominance, confidence, attractiveness. Manspreading is an art. Not genuinely, but you need some big cojones to expose your balls like that. When you take up some space for yourself, it means that you are the man. Feminists might kill me for this. Number 6 is grow a stubble. Now there was this research done where women were given pictures of men with different durations of their beards. That's clean shaven, 5-day stubble, 10-day stubble, 3 months, 6 months, over a year, right? And guess what won? 10-day stubble was rated the best or the ideal beard size for men. So if you can grow a nice thick stubble, attractiveness is on the way, guys. Because again, asymmetries are hidden. That's -2 + 2 = 0. Basic maths again, basic maths. Finally, number 7. This that's not even fair to other guys. Now some of you already have this trait, but some of you don't. Ready? So drum rolls please. Subscribing to the Man Hut. Yeah, that's it. Just a click and discover the most attractive self, because you've seen it for yourself right now, right? When you do that, flames of confidence and attractiveness lit up. So subscribe. I'm waiting. Do it, right? Next time. Pew.